You want me to do what? I'm here to do lab work. That's what lab partners do.
And we will once you trace the text.
And what makes you think I know how? I was 13. We're doing lab work.
Oh, my. Who's he again? My cousin, Miguel.
Blood on his shirt?
Yeah, yes. Well, he gets these horrible nosebleeds. Hey, Miguel, you could borrow one of my shirts. Then try something else on. You swing for a different team, but you still play ball, don't you, Danny boy?
You're a horrible person.
I know, it keeps me awake at night. Anyway, about that text.
Silence!
Lee.
Dude, your nose.
It's Armani. My aftershave. Armani.
In the principal's office is talking to your dad. Maybe because he lives across the street from Isaac.
Don't help you as in don't spot you, or don't help you as in let the bar crush your throat. On the moon? Maybe.
It's my camera, okay? You just needed to ask me some questions.
Matt's one.
Hey, I need to see if you can write the resolution on this.
Sure. What's on it? You remember all the times I told you you're not my type?
And knows how to loop it.
I could do it. And I know your mom forgets. Definitely.
Still in the field. Does that happen to my ex, too? It's not great.
When I was 14, my heart and lungs wouldn't be crushed.
Something wrong?
Actually, I was wondering the same thing about you.